Hello guys, welcome to Propow Energy. This is Lily. Today we are going to conduct a drop test for the left pure flow battery. These are the tools we are going to test. The purpose of left pure flow battery drop test is to simulate the possible accident drops during the battery's transportation, handling, and use, and in order to evaluate the battery's availability and make sure its safety under such conditions. Okay, let's test the battery's voltage and weight. The voltage is 12.88 volt. Okay, let's check the weight of the battery. The weight is 13.92 kilograms. For charge and pack, the battery will be raised to a height of 1 meter and then dropped, which counts as 1 drop. Each set of battery will be dropped once, so totally will be 6 drops. After the test, the battery should not catch fires, explode, disassemble, and its voltage should remain normal. Check the weight of the battery. The weight is 13.93 kilograms. Okay, let's open the box and take out the battery. As we can see, our battery is still in very good conditions after 6 drops. No fire, no disassemble, and no explode. Okay, let's check the voltage of the battery. The voltage is 12.88 volt, the same as before. As we can see, our battery is very good quality and can pass the drop test. Any inquiry, feel free to contact with us. Bye bye.